Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to show you guys how I normally custom make my eyelashes to my preference. What I do basically is to get a strip lashes. It doesn't matter how it looks, as far as I like how the lashes looks, the shape of the lashes. That's what I look for in lashes. So I like this one, especially if you're wearing lashes that you don't want it to look like you're wearing so much. So this is fine. Make this look voluminous. I'm going to go ahead and add these ones to it. So how do you get all of these ones? When you're fixing lashes on your client or on yourself, and maybe after measuring the lashes against your own lash line, and you find out that the outer part of the lashes is longer. You see these beads that we normally cut out from lashes, this outer part, I don't usually throw them away. I normally keep it in case I want to add volume to any of my eyelashes. So that is what I have here. These pieces here are what I cut off from lashes that are too long, so I don't usually throw them away. I keep them. So I'm going to show you guys how I add volume to these lashes. First thing is to get a lash glue that dries transparent. You want a lash glue that dries transparent so your lashes does not look, so the custom made lashes does not look too bulky with the regular lash glue that comes in black or that comes in gray. So you want to use the one that dries transparent, so when it dries it makes the custom made lashes looks like you got it that way. What I do is I'll look at my lashes and look at where I want to add volume. So I want volume, the main volume I want it to come from the middle part of the lashes to the outer part of it. So I'm going to add this part here because I have 4 pieces of lash hair that I want to add. So I hope you guys can see this. I'll pick them according to their length. So the first one is this one here. So I'm going to add this to the outer part of the lashes. The lash glue, you have to be sure the lash glue is, and you hold it down. And let's go. This is how, just the pencil, how it added volume to that. So that's it. Then this is the longest of all the lashes, and this is the thinnest. This is the longest and this is the thinnest. So because I want that dull ash kind of look, I'm going to put this in the middle, just somewhere around here. Yeah, so see, this is going to give it that dull eye type of look. Shift this a little bit so it doesn't get too close to the one at the outer part. See, this is going to give it. Then this is the last one, which is the 4th one, and this is the shortest and it's the thinnest. So I'm going to add this somewhere around here, or I can just basically leave it the way it is. See, this is really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and add this one. So see guys, so what I'm going to be doing next is to lightly press them together. So this is how I custom make my lashes to how I want it to look like, to give me that volume that I want. So this is how I custom make it, and you see how this looks. This is how the lashes looks, and this is how the lashes was before, and this is the after. So that's the lashes, guys. This is the after. Guys, I'm going to be showing you how I fix these lashes in one of my makeup tutorials, so you guys can see how this lashes, so you guys can see how these lashes made my eye look. So guys, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Bye guys.